Welcome back children in our science world. In last video I had read the exercise part 1. Today I read the exercise part 2. I hope you all write the exercise part 1 in your science classwork. So today I continue the reading. Now the second question, match the columns. First one is the eyes. Eyes is what children? It is one of the sense organ. By using our eyes, what should we do? By using our eyes, we should see. So eyes match with see. Second one, skin. Skin is also one of the sense organ. And by using the skin, how skin is useful to us? Skin is useful when we put our hands in hot water, we can guess it is a hot, and when we put the hand in cold water, we can guess that it is a cold one. So skin match with touch. Now the third one is the nose. Nose is also one sense organ. And how can the nose helpful to us? Nose, I said one example, when your mother prepare the gulab jamun, without seeing the gulab jamun, you can guess na? How can you guess? By using your nose. You can guess the smell of the gulab jamun. So the nose match with the smell. Now the fourth one is the digestive system. The digestive system, it is the one of the organ system. And in digestive system, what is the main? Food. So it match with food. Now the next question, that is the question number 3, answer the following. First one is the what is digestion? Answer, our food is made up of complex substances. These are broken down into simpler substances which can be absorbed by the body for proper functioning. This process is called digestion. Now children, you remember na? Digestion. Digestion means what? Whatever we eat the food na, it is in the complex form. And that complex form is converted into simple form. And this process converting of complex to simple, and that process is called as a digestion, where there are the lots of parts include. Which one? The food. When we eat the food, the saliva makes the food very soft one. Then it enters to in our esophagus. Through esophagus it enters to in our stomach. In stomach there is a presence of digestive juice which can break down the food or convert into semi-liquid fluid. Then that semi-liquid fluid is enter in our small intestine, where there is a completion of digestion, means the complex form is converted into simple form, and that digested food or simple form is absorbed by our body for proper functioning, and the undigested food is expelled out through the anus. So got na? Digestion means what? Now the next question, second one, why do we require sense organs? Why we require sense organ? Now I read the answer. Because they help us to sense our surrounding by giving us different kinds of information about it. Now how many sense organ children? There are 5 sense organ. First one is the eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These are the 5 sense organ. Why we require sense organ? One example I told her. When we can sit in our class, there one big snake came. What happened? When you see the snake, you will shout na? Why you shout? Because when you see the snake, your eyes is a sense organ na? It can send the message to your brain. Then brain send the message that it is a snake. You shout or ran away from the class. Suppose one blind people or blind student is there. The blind student can shout or run? No, because he can't see. So sense organs are very important children. Now the next one, third question, what role does the nervous system play in our body? Answer is the nervous system carries messages in our body and help us to think and learn. Now in our body, nervous system is there. It is the master of the all organ system. It controls the all organ system. Now what is the role of nervous system? Nervous system. Now I tell the question answers. Reading. So when I read, you listen now. At that time, your brain says that, your teacher says the answer. Now, suppose I pronounce one incorrect word. At that time, when you listen now, you at the same time you can recognize our teacher say the wrong spelling. How can it happen? Because of nervous system. Now the next question is the fourth one. What are involuntary muscles? The answer, the muscles on which we don't have control on them are called involuntary muscles. For example, muscles of heart and lungs. Now, involuntary muscles. In muscular system, how many muscles are there? There are two muscles. One is a voluntary and another one involuntary. Voluntary means which we have control on them. These are the voluntary muscles. Now bicep muscles. These are the voluntary muscles. Now involuntary means we don't have control on them. For example, heart. We can stop the heartbeat? No, because it is not in our control. But bicep movement, we can control the movement. So the involuntary muscles means the muscles on which we don't have control. These are the involuntary muscles. Now muscles of heart and lungs. Now the muscles of heart, what are they called? They are cardiac muscles. Now the fifth question, what is the function of heart? Answer, the heart pumps the blood to all parts of our body through blood vessels. Now heart is the which organ system part? Are you remember? Which organ? Heart is the part of the circulatory system. Circulatory system include which one? Heart, blood vessels, arteries. These are the parts of the circulatory system. So heart pumps the blood. Heart what? Heart pumps the blood. Now the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart, it is called as a heartbeat. When the heart contracts, at that time the blood supplies to the all parts of the body, and when the heart relaxes, at that time the blood from the all parts of body enters in our heart. So rhythmic contraction and relaxation, it is called heartbeat, and at that time it can provide the blood to all parts of body through blood vessel. Got now? How can heart pumps the blood and it can provide the blood to all parts of the body. Now the next one is the extra questions. These questions are not in your textbook. These are the extra questions. Name the following. The first one is the name the main organ of circulatory system. Circulatory system which can circulate or carries or supply the blood to all parts of body. Now the main organ, which is the main organ where there is a continuous or rhythmic contraction and relaxation happen? Heart. Heart is the main organ of circulatory system. Now the next one is the name the system who gives bony framework to our body. Bony framework, because of that bones we have shape to our body, we can move our body. Means which one system? It is the skeletal system, because skeletal system consists bones only. Now the next one, third one, name the system who helps in producing young ones of their own kind. Which system can produce the young ones of their own kind, which is responsible for survival of the all living things? Which system? The last organ system. Remember children, it is the reproductive system. reproductive system helps in producing young ones of their own kind. Because of the reproductive system, there is a continuation of generation. Now the next fourth one, name the system who helps to excrete the unwanted substance from our body. Which system? Which can expel the unwanted substance. Which one? It is the excretory system. So here we completed our exercise part 2 also, children. Now you write these all question answers, then the match the following and the all question answers, extra question answers in your science classwork, and you read these all exercise part 1 also and part 2 also, because reading is also very important. Now children, first of all you see the all videos, then write their PDFs and read the all PDFs and read the textbook also. Then you can got the lesson. Only writing is not enough, children. First of all you see the video. Once again I say, children, please see the all videos, and then you can write the PDF, memorize the PDF. So thank you, children.